All right. Wednesday afternoon. Hope all is well. Having a late start today. Yeah, got lots to do. So here we go. All right, first job. Off to Ingatestone. Property's got an electric cooker. Landlord would like to have a gas cooker put in. So just going to go and inspect the connections, the gas meter, etc. Take it from there. Eh? Yeah. Go on, it's fine. Nothing there. Right, well, that one ain't happening anytime soon because the gas run has got to go all over the place. And the kitchen and stuff needs, the cupboards need moving out. Yeah, all sorts. So, you can think about that one. Okay, next job, Basildon. Main Eco Elite. Boiler's losing pressure. They can't fill up the pressure either. Something's wrong with the filling loop or something. So let's go and try and restore the hot water and heating there. So tell me what's going on.
So
You've got low water pressure there.
yes, and also at the bottom, you know you can turn the pressure off, innit?
Yeah.
Turn up. Nothing happened.
Okay. Sounds like the filling loop's open, but it's not filling up. Let's have a look. Okay, right, so that's open. So that's filling up now.
Yeah, that was happening at
And here. So that's working. I'll tell you what else is happening. I think downstairs somewhere you've got a water leak on your cold water mains. Yep. So that's alright. You turn the heating on, boiler fire up. Yeah, as you can see now, boiler's fired up. Pressure's okay.
Yeah, would have checked the leak from.
Yeah, because I came in and serviced this a few weeks back, didn't I? So yeah, that's all good. Yeah. Okay. Grab this stopcock. Where is it? Turn it off. Okay. Right. Right, let's go and check upstairs. So right, we're upstairs here again,
No, it is not.
and the noise is gone. See? Nothing wrong with the boiler.
Yes.
You've got a leak downstairs somewhere, so let's go and turn that stopcock on and find out where it is. Let's have a look at this. So we had a leak here before,
There's more on the left.
on the left. Alright, let's get some light.
I can't see no leak stuff, to be honest.
Alright. Got isolation valve over there somewhere. Yeah. Right, so there's no leak there. Can't see anything. The stopcock's over here, just inside this cupboard. So. Right, next stop, Romford. Boiler service in Romford.
אגע איסאי חלרת אחד. אגע איסאי חלרת אחד. תכון פיזן פפשל להגיע איסו. Look at your poor brother. He's wearing his coat. Good in the tandar mudde. Jay's spot for choice. Which one is he gonna open?
I'm gonna go for this one. Okay, so here we are at my VIP customer's house. We installed this Valiant a few days ago. She's been playing around with this boiler and done something, so she's got no heating as well. So
I didn't play around with
yeah.
I fixed it.
She fixed it. So what am I here for?
I did the engineer's assistant work.
Oh, okay.
Engineer's assistant is with him. Boilers 24/7. আমি আর বড় ইঞ্জিনিয়ার পণ্ডিত না আমি কতখান কাম করছি I put the pressure up.
Yeah, heating's back on. Thermostat's faulty, so I've disconnected that and I'll loop this for now for the time being. We need a new thermostat.
It's just told me that my heating's working, but my thermostat's not working. So, listen, I'm a Wi-Fi lady, yes. How do I control? How do I control my heating now?
Thermostat.
No, but how do I control my heating?
Oh, you can turn it off here manually.
That's not what He came for the boiler, but he's fixing my lights now. I'm a disco light.
There you go, disco.
At least he doesn't wear shoes.
Okay, so now it's coming up to 6 o'clock. Off to Cannon Street Road, East London. Main Eco Elite boiler. I think they've got continuous heating. Heaters must turn it off. Faulty thermostat. That's what's recorded, so let's go see to that. Okay. There we are. Alright, there's can't squeeze it here. Oh yeah, here we go. Probably the heating stays on or something. You can't turn it off. So the heating is on now. Turn it off. Run off full. Off it. Okay. Alright. Last job of the day, off to Grays to have a look at a possible boiler installation. Let's go and inspect that. There we are. So yeah, we've got the Sonia Duval. I've opened up the filling leak. Water's going through there, but not enough, so probably got a faulty valve. Check valve. Try and get over this cover and the expansion so as well and charge it. Alright, let's see. This boiler does not fire up on a few tests. Gas valve is faulty and or possibly the PCV. Yeah, Lambert wants a new boiler anyway. So yeah, back here soon with a new boiler. That's it. That's all done for today. Alhamdulillah. So that last job, gonna rip that boiler out and put a new boiler in. So that will be done for tomorrow. So new installation tomorrow.